Hey guys, in this video we're going to test the best budget sleeping bag for adults you can buy right now. I made this checklist based on my personal opinions and study time. And I've listed them based on the security and pricing features I've included for options for each type of consumer. So you can easily verify this budget sleeping bag for adults for yourself or your family. We always try to provide customers with informative ideas so that they can easily verify any product. If you would like more information and would like to set an updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Our first choice. Among a crowded field of affordable sleeping bags, the Redcamp Cotton Flannel sets itself apart. It offers an impressive trifecta of warmth, comfort, and versatility in a package that still feels well made at a price only slightly above rock bottom. The simple rectangular design offers spacious interior dimensions to ensure an unrestricted night's sleep. Plus, you can keep your phone battery warm and holding a charge by keeping it inside the small Velcro stash pocket. Our complaints are relatively minor. The zipper isn't the strongest we've seen. However, it still held up in our zipper durability test. We measured the bag's overall length at 70 inches, which won't be quite enough to cover the tallest shopper's shoulders. Nevertheless, we love this bag. And in addition to being our favorite single-person bag, it's also our top choice for an affordable two-person option. Simply buy two and zip them together. At number 2, luxurious dimensions and exceptional warmth are the two ways that the Tetton Sports Celsius XXL distinguishes itself from its competitors. With 39 inches of width, it is the widest single sleeping bag we bought for testing. This fact goes a long way towards negating the common complaint that sleeping bags feel too restrictive. In our view, most temp ratings are overly optimistic, but this bag's 0 degrees Fahrenheit rating feels borderline accurate. It's filled with plenty of hollow fiber insulation and sports a legit draft collar and hood to seal heat in. The brushed flannel lining of the Tetton Sports bag is also our lead tester's favorite. Like most things in life, the benefits come with drawbacks. The ample insulation doesn't pack down small, so be sure you have plenty of extra room in your car and attic. Realistically, its 0 degrees Fahrenheit temp rating is also too warm for most American campers in the summertime, so it's better suited for high elevation or spring, fall, or even mild winter excursions. Considering this bag's high quality, its price presents a fantastic deal. However, several cheaper bags could meet most people's needs, especially when the warmth of this bag isn't necessary. At number 3, the Mammoth is our top pick for those in the market for a great two-person bag. Like its cousin, the Tetton Sports Celsius, it features our tester's favorite brushed flannel lining. This supple lining is combined with spacious interior dimensions to provide remarkable comfort. We also think it has plenty of insulation to live up to its 20 degrees Fahrenheit temp rating. Finally, you can unzip this bag into 2 separate blankets if you find yourself getting sick of your sleeping mate. The issues with the Mammoth are minor. The 6 draw cords used to adjust the hood and draft collar seems a bit excessive. We also worry it could be too warm for hot summer nights. Finally, the higher price tag may make some shoppers hesitate. If that's the case, you can save some money by picking up 2 Redcamp flannel bags and zipping them together to make a more affordable double bag. At number 4, Coleman is a company best known for its lanterns and stoves. Further down the list are their tents, and further still are sleeping bags. Nevertheless, we were pleased with the simple Palmetto. It delivers reasonable levels of comfort, warmth, versatility, all at an affordable price. We also suspect most shoppers will prefer the instantly warm feel of its flannel lining compared to more advanced fibers like polyester or nylon that take a few minutes to feel warm. Unfortunately, the same flannel that we love for being so cozy is cursed with an astonishing ability to retain dirt and pine needles. We didn't experience the same issue with other flannel bags. Just a Coleman, so if you take it anywhere wild, expect some cleaning. However, this could still be an excellent bag for sleepovers or RV camping. At number 5, the North Rim has the sarcophagus shape of a traditional mummy sleeping bag. While this shape is ideal for minimizing weight during human-powered backcountry adventures, our testers consider it unnecessarily constrictive in a car camping bag. And make no mistake, at 6 pounds 3 ounces, this is a car camping bag, not a backpacking model. Apart from this main drawback, the North Rim feels well executed. Its legit draft collar and sturdy hood ensure that it lives up to its 0 degrees Fahrenheit temp rating. We also like the interior stash pocket for storing a phone or headlamp, so you can protect your batteries throughout any frigid night. Finally, the Coleman zippers are some of our favorites, and this bag sailed through our zipper durability test with ease.
We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a nice day.